Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to view the source code of any website. Please note this is only for educational purposes so that you can learn coding and understand how HTML, CSS and JavaScript works. So let's see, we have opened a website here. It's WordPress.com, which is one of the most famous websites in the world. And if you're using a Windows laptop, it's just Control and U. Because I'm using a Mac, I'll press Command, Option and U. And there you go, you will see the source code of this website. You can see the HTML structure as well as the CSS and the JavaScript. So you can use this to understand how this website is built, and please do not misuse it. All credit goes to the owners and the developers because I truly respect the terms and conditions of this website. I'm just showing you how to access this for educational purposes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.